Prince. So let's do part 2 of De Morgan's laws. So we have part B, which is B union C complement is equal to B complement intersection C complement. So as we said, we're going to move from left to right. So from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, so what we do here, we're going to introduce a variable. We're going to say let X be a member of this set. Alright, and as we said in part 1, we have to remove this complement outside because this OR set is bound by a complement. By bound, I mean we have these brackets outside. So how do we do that? We change the sign here. So if we have a member of, we're going to change it to O and not a member of. So this will be X is not a member of B union C. Okay. Now, what does it mean X is not a member of B union C? Now, in common sense, someone will say X is not a member of B or X is not a member of C, which is so wrong because you only use or if there's a member of here. If there's no member of, you're going to use and. There's that opposite, okay? Let me make sense of this. So we have, these are two sets. B and C. So I'm saying, where is a union set? A union set is everything here, right? That's a union of that. That's that. Now, if we say X is not a part of this union, where is X? It means X is outside here. Now, what numbers do we find outside here? These are numbers that are not found in A and B. Have you noticed? Numbers that are not found in this and that, not numbers that are not found in this or this. Or means it might not be here, but it might be there. Or it might not be here, but it might be there. Right? That's what it means. Okay? Now, in this scenario, we're saying X is outside here. And the only numbers which are outside here are numbers which are not found in this and that. Okay? And the simple representation I said, if you see U, right, union, and there's a member for example like this, B union C, here you are at liberty to say X is a member of B or X is a member of C. Why? Because there's a member of and there's U. But immediately this changes to not a member of, even this will change to and. It's the same as intersection. If you have X is a member of B intersection C, it means X will be a member of B and X will be a member of C. But immediately this becomes not a member of, it means this will no longer be and. It's going to be X is not a member of B, or X is not a member of C. Okay, that's the way it is. So now a quick break here before I continue. So as I said earlier, there's enough space in the first group. Okay, so as I said earlier, you can inbox me on WhatsApp and secure your spot in the first group. This is for these for those who want to be part of the first group. You can pay a minimum of 150 kwacha, okay, and finish on the 20th of December, okay, 2025. Okay, that's the other balance. So you can pay this and you'll be part of the group, and we'll be meeting almost on a daily basis, and school will be starting. That's about next week we'll be starting. So make sure you secure your spot. You will love it. We have incredible students who got great points. You will never be wrong. We can't scam you. We are by far the best tutors in school. Nothing compares to us, and we're the only tutors that teach 4 courses under NS, and 4 courses under the School of Mines, and 4 courses under SICT. Okay, here we teach chemistry, physics, math, and biology. Biology, math, chemistry, and physics. Here we teach physics, math, chemistry, and ED. Here we teach math, physics, CS 130 and CS 150. Okay, so we're the only tutors that teach this, and we only charge at 400 kwacha per term. So in other words, you pay 400 kwacha and you learn the entire term. Think about that. You will not pay anymore, not pay course, but everything. If you pay 400 kwacha, you learn everything here, the entire term. And we're telling you, saying pay this, you secure your spot in the first group, because we're the most sought after tutors in school. It's crowded, man. So we separate you in groups. So be part of the first group, and the first group will finish all the term 1 topics by January the 20th. They'll finish everything for term 1. and we'll start revisions in February for the tests, because you're writing test ones in February. So make sure you inbox me. Okay, you inbox me, and I'll add you to the first group if you inbox me, and share this video as well to your friends. So let's continue here. So this will be X is not a member of B and X is not a member of C. Okay, so now don't change anything here. So this will be X is a member of B complement and X is a member of C complement, because we're saying if X is not a member of B, it means it's a member of B complement. So now what does it mean X is a member of B complement and X is a member of C complement? It means X is a member of B intersection C complement. Okay, we have answered there. Then you're going to say conversely. Whenever you're proving, you have to say conversely. In other words, you have to go back, and by conversely, you know what I mean. You're going to go back, just going back straight. So this will be X is a member of B complement intersection C complement. Then X is a member of B complement and X is a member of C complement. Then this will be X is not a member of B and X is not a member of C. Then X is not a member of B intersection C. Then X is a member of B intersection C complement. Then you have proven. We have gone backwards, isn't it? Okay, so you go back from here. If you say converse, you start from here, you go there, you go there, you go there, you go there until you reach this. Okay, so guys, now let's do part B, where we're saying prove that. We're not doing anything for verifying, we're going to do it in class. You guys will just join us. You will really love our tutorials. It's the most fun tutorials in school. You'll love it. Okay, so now let's continue here. So we have part 2, which is prove that X A complement is equal to A, right? So I'm going to say from is equal to A, from the left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so I'm going to say let X be a member of A complement, right? Now notice, as I said, this whole thing is bound, isn't it? This whole thing is bound by what? By this complement outside. So how do you remove this complement outside? You change the sign here, so meaning X is not a member of A complement, isn't it? Now if X is not a member of complement, it means X is a member of A, right? And then you say conversely. We're saying I removed this. Then again here we're saying, so for example, if you want to remove this, you're going to change this. Now to change this, we have this there, meaning this has disappeared. We're saying if X is a member of that, so meaning X is not a member of that, isn't it? Because that has gone. Now if X is not found in A complement, why is X? X is found in A. So conversely, you just start from here. You say X is a member of A. Now if X is a member of A, it means X is not a member of A complement. And if X is not a member of A complement, it means X is a member of A complement. Then we have answered. And this question comes and it's 5 marks, 2.5 here and 2.5 here. So with our guidance, you really benefit a lot. Okay, so that's the way it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and please contact the number. I'm Elon Prince, the best tutor in school.